Hello students, our today's topic is define amount limit. For the finance cash journal, define the limits values which when reach and exceed the system displays an information pop up for the user. यहाँ पर हम कैश जर्नल के लिए अमाउंट लिमिट सेट करने वाले हैं. For that we can go SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Bank Accounting, Business Transaction, Cash Journal and Define Amount Limit. SAP में जाते हैं. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Bank Accounting, Business Transaction, Cash Journal and Define Amount Limit. Now click on New Entries, enter your company code, currency, valid from 1st June and amount 5,000. Then click on save button. Now click on create request and enter your description. Specify define amount limit. Then click on save button and now click on continue button.